So one of the common things that we hear all the time from our customers is all this AI technology sounds great, the transformation of the data sounds great, the APM, the reliability solutions sounds great, makes sense, generative AI sounds great, but you know what? I'm not even there today. My data is still sitting in my historian. I'm at a very early stage. What you're talking about is something which will take me decades to even reach there. I want to be there, but I'm nowhere there. And it's fine, because what that simply means is you're very early in your data journey process, right? And that's when we look at SymphonyAI Industrial, we have mapped the product across every phase of the customer's data journey, right? So whether you are at a very beginning stage where your data is still within the different data sources or the data orientation points, we could give you the connectors to bring that data into the data lake or the Delta Lake and add the transformation and namespacing on that, and unified namespacing on that. Or if you already have your data in the data lake, we can still add the data unification on that. Or if you already have done that, we can bring that data into our knowledge graph and show you the data into a visualization view from a plant or a multi-point view. And if you already have the knowledge graph, then we can still add the applications on top and give you the asset performance view or the reliability view on top. So irrespective of where you are in your data journey, you could still start in there. And that's, I think, one of the biggest differentiations of SymphonyAI Industrial, where we could be part of your data journey as you go through that.